Today, I'll show you how we use a 5-axis CNC machine to create an impeller. Before we begin, we've already completed the preparation work, including 3D modeling and programming. Now, let us jump straight into the machining process. Here are a few details you should know. For this project, we're reusing aluminum alloy as the raw material, along with our self-developed AI community generation system. Before machining, I securely fixed the aluminum alloy block onto the base to ensure it won't T-shift or detach during the machining process. At the same time, I've also completed the program setup. The purpose of rough machining is to quickly remove excess material and roughly shape the workpiece. Now, you can already see the basic shape of the impeller taking form. After rough machining, we move into the finish machining stage. This stage adds more detailed features while improving the surface finish, machining accuracy, and tolerance control. Once processing is finished, remove the finished part and clear away any remaining debris. Now, we've got the final product, a precision machined aluminum alloy impeller.